10 of the weirdest sea creatures. A square sponge living in a pineapple under the sea isn't the only weird thing going on down there. There are much weirder sea creatures that you probably never heard of before. And, today, we'll be talking about 10 of them. Ready? Well, just before we get to the juice, if you like the topic we're discussing, consider giving this video a like so YouTube knows to show it to more people. Also, please take a second to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. This way, you're the first to know when we drop fresh content. Alright, without further ado, let's meet our top 10 weirdest sea creatures. Number 1 is the frilled shark. The frilled shark is sometimes called a living fossil because it has practically remained the same from prehistoric times. It's a good thing this fish is rarely seen by humans because it shares the same terrifying mouth as a great white. We're talking about 300 backward-facing teeth shaped like tridents and organized into 25 rows. Once something comes within the reach of these bad boys, there's certainly no escape. Something really peculiar about the frilled shark is how long they carry their babies. These guys can carry their babies for as long as 42 months. That's about 3.5 years. Well, when else will they have the time to grow so many teeth? At number 2, we have the goblin shark. The goblin shark is so named because of its resemblance to the mythical goblins we read about in Japanese folklore. These sharks are pink in color and can grow as long as 12 feet, weighing up to 460 pounds. Being the slowpokes that they are, the goblin sharks have a hard time chasing their food. However, they've got their extendable jaws going for them, which allow them easily grab prey that are out of reach. Next, we have the ghost shark at number 3. Okay, so the ghost shark sounds like the stuff Halloween is made of. A ghost, that's a shark that lives at the bottom of the cold, dark ocean? Come on, that's next level Halloween stuff. Also known as chimeras, the ghost shark, which has its own international day on October 30th by the way, isn't actually a true shark. For one, they don't have the characteristic shark dentition consisting of rows of razor-sharp teeth. Also, their teeth never fall off. They just appear and keep growing till the fish is mature. Number 4 on our list goes to the anglerfish. Yikes. This fish is ugly and mad about it. Possibly the ugliest living animal on the planet right now, the anglerfish lives in the deepest part of the ocean where light does not touch. Easily the Earth's most inhospitable habitat. Anglerfish are typically small with huge heads and large mouths filled with sharp teeth. But miracle of miracles, the anglerfish can swallow prey that's twice its size. Something really weird about this fish, though, is the relationship between male and female species. Over time, the males have evolved into permanent parasites. So, they latch onto and literally fuse to their female partners, losing all parts of themselves into their partner except for their testes. Our number 5 spot goes to the barrel-eye fish. The first thing you notice about the barrel-eye fish is its transparent head, which reminds you of a submarine. Absolutely phenomenal. The transparent head of the barrel-eye helps the fish navigate its habitat, which happens to be 2,500 feet under the sea. Besides a transparent head, the barrel-eye fish has another standout feature, which is its tubular eyes. The nature of the barrel-eye's eyes makes them great at collecting light, which helps the fish navigate the deep, dark waters. And now, number 6, the vampire squid. The vampire squid is the first non-fish on our list. It was once thought to be an octopus because, though it has 8 arms characteristic of squids, it doesn't have the 2 long tentacles also characteristic of squids. And so because it brings together both squid and octopus features, biologists have given the vampire squid its own scientific classification. Okay, so something really cool about the vampire squid is its scientific name. Vampiroteuthis infernalis. We know, that's quite a handful, but the cool part is that it literally means vampire squid of hell. You may or may not be familiar with a mythical creature of the same name that's known to suck blood. But worry not, the vampire squid does not suck blood. It does squirt icky mucus when threatened, though. Swimming into number 7, we have the faceless cusk eel. The faceless cusk eel is a species of the cusk eel without a face. Yep. The fish lacks clearly defined eyes and seems not to have a mouth either. Well, actually, its mouth is hidden under its body. Anywho, the point is the fish has no eyes and does not seem to have a mouth, which is how it got the title, faceless. Not much is known about this fish as it lives in the deepest part of the ocean and is rarely seen. Number 8, the Japanese spider crab. The Japanese spider crabs are the giants of the crustacean species and are also among the largest arthropods on the planet. They are found in the waters of Japan and Taiwan, living at depths of 164 feet to as low as 1,640 feet. Just like the goblin sharks, the Japanese spider crabs are slow pokes. In fact, they are so slow and lazy, they'd rather scavenge on dead plants and animals than hunt for fresh food. But once in a while, they dare to be more ambitious and go out of their way to feed on live fish, or even other invertebrates. At number 9 is the slender snipe eel. Like its name suggests, the slender snipe eel has an elongated body with large eyes that sit on a bulbous head. At this point, you're probably figuring out that this is a feature that nearly all deep-sea creatures share. The slender snipe eel has extended jaws which curve away from each other at the tip. These jaws come with tiny hook teeth and do not meet when the fish closes them. Scientists believe that the slender snipe eel catches its prey by swimming with its mouth open. This way, they snag crustaceans passing by with their teeth and just swallow them whole. And finally, at number 10, we have the Bougainvillea superciliaris. The Bougainvillea superciliaris is a jellyfish that's abundant in the White Sea. However, you find more of them in shallow water lips with their peculiar-looking spherical and transparent heads. Photographed against a dark background, these guys look really gorgeous. You could literally just stare at them all day. For our honorable mention, we have the blobfish. The hideous blobfish contends with the anglerfish for the title of world's ugliest animal. One writer describes the blobfish this way: it almost looks as if someone made a gelatin mold of an old man's head and left it out in the sun where it slowly started to melt. Yikes. Something truly interesting about the blobfish is that it only has the blob-like appearance when above water. Underwater, where it lives, at depths of between 2,000 to 4,000 feet, the blobfish loses its peculiarity and looks like every normal fish. Did you find these creatures odd and creepy enough? Well, we did. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel as well. See you in the next video.